So on this Threads tutorial video, I'm going to be showing you guys how to hide a thread here on Threads. So once you have Threads open up on your device, go to your, your home page. So go to the far left here at the bottom and press on the home page. Now, as you can tell right here, this is just the suggested page that's coming up on my feed. Now, if you wanted to hide a thread for whatever reason, so let's just say you wanted to hide this one from meme.ig. My social media account has a social media account. If you wanted to hide this thread for whatever reason, simply go to these three little dots right here besides the time that it was posted. Then once you're in this grid, go to where it says hide, right above block and right below mute, and press on hide. And there you go. That post has been hidden. Now if you want to undo it for whatever reason, so let's just say it was an accident, simply just press on undo right there, and now it is back on your feed. So that is how you guys can hide a thread here on Threads. I hope this video helped.